Hi everyone, Sia here from Heartdeco. First things first, Merry Christmas and Happy Festive Season. It is the season to be jolly, but first we have to keep our possessions safe during this festive season. Today we are back with another video and we are speaking about the safe box from Heartdeco. Now it is a simple product, we're just showing you how to use the product, and we've already unboxed it out of the box it comes in. It comes with a manual. It's pretty easy, pretty simple, so it will be a short video. And don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and follow us on all our social media pages. Now you can get the safe box at www.heartdeco.co.za. The safe box looks like this before you open it and see what it has inside. It is covered with the override cover, and for now we'll be using the override keys since we have not set the code. And these two holes you can use to screw on the safe box onto a wall or any property or space that you want to use your safe box at. Now what we'll be doing is opening the safe box with the override keys since we haven't set the code. And inside it comes with batteries that you'll be using to put on the side that you'll be using to open the safety box. And it comes with the screws that you'll be using to screw it on. And that's about it. This is how it looks inside. It comes with a grey padded material. And this is how it looks inside. So the safety box comes with 4 batteries, which we'll be inserting on the right side when you open the safety box. As you can see, 4 batteries go inside. So this is how we'll be inserting the batteries. And as you can hear, a beep went off, meaning that the safe box is on. So now, as you've seen, we have inserted the batteries, and now we'll be using the product without the override keys. We'll be inserting the original code of the manufacturer, which you'll see on the product manual as well, which is 159. You press E and you see a green light go off. You turn the handle and it is open. That is how you open the safe box. Now to close the safe box, you just close and you turn the handle anti-clockwise and it is locked. Now I'll be showing you how to set and change the user code. Now after you've inserted the 159, now it is time to change the password. To change the password, you will notice that on the side of the door, there is a red button. Now you press the red button, which you see on the inside of the door of the safe box. You input, so we press the red button and we input the user code in 30 seconds. And then we press E. Then we would have changed the user code if you want to change it from the original factory settings. So as you have seen, it is locked. We're not using our override keys. We won't be using the factory code, we'll be using the new code, which is, now it is green, meaning that the password has changed. And this is how you use and change the safe boxes user code. If you don't want to change your user code, you can always use your override keys, which is the 2 sets of keys. You take off the override cover, you just insert your keys, and you turn the handle, and it is open. That way you won't have to ever use the user code again, as long as you have a set of keys. Now, as you can see, it's pretty easy, it's pretty simple to use the Heartdeco Safe Box. We hope that you like this video and you comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.